Hi, in this one, we're going to be going over the multiplying polynomials by monomials homework. Okay, there's 4 problems, and we're going to be going through all of them. Okay, so number 1, okay, I believe we're doing multiplication on all of these except for the last one. Okay, number 1, multiply. Just like before, we're going to distribute the 3x. Okay, so 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. And that's our answer. Number 2, 2x squared y times 2x squared gives us 4x to the 4th power times y. And then 2x squared times y times negative 3xy is going to give us negative 6x to the 3rd power and y to the y squared. Okay. And then 2x squared y times y squared is going to give us a positive 2x squared y cubed. Okay. Yeah, that was good. And that is our answer. All right, number 3, we have 1/3 x squared times the quantity of this polynomial, 6x squared minus 12xy minus 3y squared. Okay. And everything's still the same. We're still distributing the monomial across the polynomial. The only thing that's different in this one is that there's a fraction in the monomial. So what's happening with the first one is you're multiplying 1/3 over times x over 1. Okay. So 3 goes into 3 one time, goes into 6 twice. So what you're going to be left with is 2. Okay. And we're doing that across the entire polynomial. So for the first term, 1/3 x squared times 6x squared, we're just going to end up with 2. Okay. X to the 4th power. And then 1/3 x squared times negative 12xy. Well, 3 goes into 12 4 times, right? Negative. So it's going to be negative 4. And then x to the 3rd power. And then y. Okay. And then 1/3 x squared times negative 3y squared is going to give us a negative. Okay. So 1/3 times 3 is 1. Okay. The 3's cancel out. So we're going to be left with just x squared and then y squared. Okay, so our answer is going to be that 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed y minus x squared y squared. Okay, number 4, it's asking us to simplify. All right, so again, whenever you see nested brackets and parentheses, just work from the inside out. Okay, so we're gonna simplify by distributing the negative 2. So when we do that, we get negative 6 and then negative 2x. Okay, so 2x and negative 2x cancel each other out. So this is just going to be 3x times negative 6, which is what? It's going to be negative 18x. Okay, and then we still have this negative x squared. And it looks like that's it. Can't be simplified any further. So that's negative 4. 18x minus x squared.